Come awa in and meet the Bothy knitters, for we'll show you the northeast means a warm welcome to folk fae a' the earths and generosity to them that needs a helping hand. Our story starts with a sheep.
When you're waving your jersey, your socks or your gloves, have you ever thought back to the sheepie that was clipped, maybe lying on her back, to the owl being rowed, then packet in a sack, a lot to gang through or it's a scarf round your neck. It'll be washed, mair nor rinse, dried, combed, carded and mair, syne spun into yarn for you to weave, crochet or knit.
Sometimes we get boxes of wool and there's sometimes great tangled messes in it. And Francis and I, we just like to do a bit of recycling. So one of us gets hold of one bit of the wool and the other gets the other, and we'll wachtle awa, and eventually we'll finish with two beautiful balls of well-wound wool which we'll recycle at our Bothy.
We have been meeting at the Salmon Bothy for about 10 years now. When I first started there was about 10 to 12 wifeys. Now sometimes we've about 25 wifeys. Nae manis so far. There's also some spinners as well as knitters. It's interesting to see all the projects the wifeys do. Quite a variety.
There's aye wise a sharing and doing things. Sharing happy times, a cuppa and a piece, and a lot of laughing. Abody aye has thoughties about what we'll do next. We even knitted pertsoy. Bonny plain scarves and fancies. Gansies to fit abody.
I learned when I was 15. I landed in a hospital in Banff, and the lady in the next bed learned me to crochet, and that was in 1947, and it's been the love of my life ever since.
I knit hats and blankets for Aberdeen Maddie. I've done over 1,000 hats so far. The babies get their hats on whenever they're born, resulting in less needing intensive care. We even had an order for baby stuff to go to Australia. We make hats, scarves, jumpers, cardigans, blankets, and a lot more stuff in any size you want.
Gi'se an idea and we'll gie it a go. Poppies to mind the men that was lost for Pertsoy. Beards for visiting Vikings. The Bothy knitters are gone sae well that we've started our own wool festival, and it's pulling folk to the northeast for a hour.
Lots of the things made are sold for local charities, mostly at the Pertsoy Boat Festival in June and the Wool Fest in August.
So cheerio for the Bothy knitters. We'd be happy for you to join us any time you like.